guys, this is your girl at Hope Ramafalo. Welcome to the We Love Africa YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing the ever so famous Jerusalema Dance Challenge tutorial. I hope you guys are ready to get it. Alright guys, so the Jerusalema Dance Challenge is basic and simple. Alright, so the first step we're going to start with is easy. You're just going to tap forward there. Okay, and as you tap forward, you're just going to throw your hips to the side. Alright, so it's going to be 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, so from there, we're going to tap 4 times, right? So it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, easy, guys. So after 1, 2, 4, we're going to basically walk forward 4 times. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after that, you're just going to tap to the side. Alright, so we're going to start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to move to the side 4 times. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to left 4 times. 1, 4. Actual song. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Well done guys, and that is the Jerusalema Dance Challenge. Don't worry if you don't have it now, keep practicing, keep moving, and let's go Africa.